Guys, look. The outfit into some stuff. Charan, slipper. I'm buying cake pala here at Karamia. Karamia buying cake here guys. Ganda rin pala dito guys. Stansya. So I'm going to Uniqlo. Grabe. Nakarating ako ng estansya, nakasipit. Walang kaayos-ayos and naka-short. Look at me. Oh my God. I can't believe this. Nice ah. SM store. May KKB rin pala dito. Ayan. So laki. KKB. Nice. Very cute. Cute. Ganda rin pala dito guys, sa estansya. Maraming stores. I'll be going to Uniqlo. Let's go to Uniqlo guys. Ilalamig na ako guys kasi naka-short lang ako By the way, today is December 30. So tomorrow for sure much people going to Uniqlo. Barbie. The Uniqlo. Ayan. Ganda pala dito. Tahimik lang. Tapos, not much people. If you go other... What is that? Yan. I'll be going here. At Uniqlo. Tan-tararan. I wanna see something. Get the Chaggy. Here's the... Pause nyo lang. I got the Dior. Guys. Chaggy. Hahaha. I got the goods, guys. Nag-shopping ako sa Dior. Charot. Karamia. With, again, my slipper. Kaka-proud. Charot. I got the $80 siguro